Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to locate your Notion API key step by step. If you're looking to connect Notion with external tools, automate workflows, or extend its functionality, this is an essential step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your API key ready to use, but also understand where to access it whenever needed. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and navigating to developers.notion.com. This is Notion's official developer platform, where all integrations are created and managed. You can think of it as the central hub for setting up connections that allow Notion to work seamlessly with other applications. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the bottom until you find the My Integrations section. Click on it to proceed. This area acts as your workspace for managing integrations, showing any existing ones and allowing you to create new connections. Next, select New Integration to begin creating a new connection. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your integration. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects its purpose, especially if you plan to manage multiple integrations in the future. After naming your integration, you'll need to select the workspace it will be linked to. If you have access to multiple workspaces, ensure you choose the correct one, as the integration will only operate within the selected environment. Once all the required details are completed, click Save. The setup process may take a moment, so allow it a brief moment to finalize. After saving, you'll be directed to the Integration Settings page. This is where you can configure and manage your integration. Here, you'll find your API key. Click on Show to reveal the key. It will appear as a unique string of characters. Copy this value carefully using either the copy button or your browser's copy function. At this point, your Notion API key is ready to use. You can now integrate it with your preferred tools or applications to enable automation and extended functionality within your workspace. Be sure to keep your API key secure since it provides access to your workspace. It should be treated with the same level of caution as a password and only shared with trusted services. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a like. If you have any questions or would like to see more content on Notion integrations, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.